YouTube, this is Autumn Beckman. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have two very special guests with me. These are my cousins. This is Milana and this is Haven on her phone. She'll look up eventually, I guess. There she goes. Okay, we're gonna do Would You Rather. So, would you rather have a permanently runny nose or have a permanently stuffed nose?
Stuff.
I'm thinking stuff too. Yeah, because people can't see that. If you have a runny nose, it's kind of gross.
Well, people say 56% say permanently running and 44% say stuffed.
Okay.
Would you rather have your first child when you were 19? Have your first child when you were 45? 19.
I don't want kids, so I guess 19 and get it over with.
Okay, what do you say?
Or 45 to have longer without them. I don't know.
45.
No offense, kids.
45.
Which one do you say?
No, 19.
I guess 45, so I can get my career in place and then.
Yeah,
be ready for
45.
life.
45. 75% say first child at 19. 25 say 45. Would you rather make a phone call, send a text?
I'd send more texts than phone calls. Yeah.
I would send more texts than phone calls.
Yeah. It depends
56
on
said that.
who it is.
44
but yeah.
said that. Mm-hmm. Meet your idol, be popular in school.
Popular.
Meet my idol.
Well, no, because I'm already popular, so meet my
I
idol.
am too.
Yeah.
So then meet your idol.
Who's your idol?
What person I look up to?
Yeah.
Yeah, the person that I would look at. So we won't have that.
Do you know who yours is? Who is it? Who's your idol though? Who are they?
Your friends.
If you could
Probably,
meet.
No, like my family.
probably Kane Brown because he's so passionate about everything. And
No,
it's all-
John.
Have constantly damp palms. Be forever have forever sticky fingers.
Probably damp. I don't like my
Damp.
fingers to be sticky.
Yeah, damn. Okay, ready, set, go.
Hi guys, Autumn Beckman here, and that's me. And then this is my cousin Milana, and my other cousin, her sister Haven, is filming this for us. We're gonna give you a little room tour of the Airbnb where we're staying in Corpus Christi. And let's see, oh yeah, and show you my bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in Damier Azur, and I've got my little Vuitton keychain and my little luggage tag that I had hot stamped with the A. And I'm gonna wear my Vuitton shawl later too. This house is really cool. It's very minimal. It's got these cinder block walls. You wanna turn and show them that? So all the exterior walls are just cinder block. There's no insulation otherwise. Up on the ceiling, it's recessed. So we've got the ceiling fan and cool. And then the floors are concrete.
Wait,
Yeah.
would you like to see a room tour of the bathroom?
Yes, we would.
Let's go.
Excuse messiness.
Yeah.
Just got here.
It's very messy. We've been using it for sure.
So we have the
You can film yourself in the mirror too.
we have the counter. We have the counter. We have
That's me.
we have the shower.
Look at this.
It's
Pretty.
it's very nice. And then we have the bathroom. Then we have the cupboards. Nothing. Probably nothing in all of them.
Want to show them the closet?
Yeah, would you guys love to see
And
the
look,
tour
show
of
them the ground.
closet?
It's concrete.
Yeah, we have the concrete
And
ground.
cinder block walls.
Cinder block walls.
And then here's our closet. We've got a nice big closet in the master room.
There's another cinder block wall.
Yes, another one. So that's the end.
All right, great. Should we do our little sign off with the subscribe?
Yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe.
Remember
Hit that
to
notification bell.
remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get updated whenever she posts a video.
That's right.
Bye, everybody.
Bye guys, have a great day.